Which VPN works with YouTube TV? Using a VPN with YouTube TV can help you access the service while traveling or bypass geographical restrictions. Not all VPNs work seamlessly with YouTube TV, as the platform actively blocks some VPN connections. Below are some of the best VPNs known to work reliably with YouTube TV. Top VPNs for YouTube TV. 1. ExpressVPN. Key features: high-speed servers in the US ensuring smooth streaming. Strong encryption to bypass YouTube TV geo-blocks. Easy-to-use apps for all devices. Why it's good for YouTube TV. Consistently works with streaming platforms. Offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. 2. NordVPN. Key features: large server network with numerous US-based servers. SmartPlay feature designed for streaming. Reliable connection speeds for uninterrupted streaming. Why it's good for YouTube TV: easily bypasses geographical restrictions. Includes built-in ad and tracker blockers. 3. Surfshark. Key features: budget-friendly with unlimited device connections. Servers optimized for streaming in multiple US locations. Clean web feature to block ads and trackers. Why it's good for YouTube TV: affordable and effective for streaming. Works well even in restrictive regions. 4. CyberGhost. Key features: dedicated streaming servers for YouTube TV. Simple interface, great for beginners. Strong privacy protections. Why it's good for YouTube TV: tailored servers for streaming ensure reliable access. No logs policy for added security. 5. Private Internet Access, PIA. Key features: large server network with several US-based servers. Customizable security features. Affordable pricing. Why it's good for YouTube TV: works with major streaming services including YouTube TV. Offers detailed customization for tech-savvy users. How to use a VPN with YouTube TV. Step 1. Choose a VPN service. Select one of the VPNs listed above based on your needs and budget. Step 2. Install the VPN. Download and install the VPN app on your preferred device, smartphone, computer, or streaming device. Step 3. Connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the US to access YouTube TV. Step 4. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app or website and log in with your account credentials. Step 5. Test the connection. Ensure the VPN connection is stable and confirm you can stream content without buffering.